In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a screen time widget to the home screen. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, once you are on your home screen, just tap and hold until icons start shaking, and now you can hit at that plus sign to go to your widgets. Now there, scroll down until you find Screen Time, tap on that, and now here you can select the size of Screen Time widget. I like that one, but let me show you on the biggest. And now all I have to do is hold down and drag this widget to your home screen. Then release your finger and hit at done. And guys, that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.